Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on exam depression. So what is it? How do you avoid it? And how do you know that you have it or don't have it? All right, so let's get into it. So a good way to know if you have exam depression is if you feel guilty for not studying. If you're out with your friends or with your family and you're sitting there and you're supposed to be having a great time and you're just, in a funk and, worrying about the exam, you have exam depression. So what I would do to avoid exam depression is I would take breaks. So if you're sitting there and you're reading and glazing over, if you're watching a lecture video and you're zoning out, take a 5-minute break. If you've allotted a certain amount of time that you need to study that day, like take a short break, get up, go to the refrigerator, grab some ice water, and then go back to it. That might be, just enough to reset. If you have a longer time frame, you could watch a episode of TV. Episodes that I like to watch are standalone episodes that you don't have to sit there and, get sucked into it saying, what's going to happen to these characters next. So good standalone shows are like cooking shows or like home repair shows. Those are just ones that I recommend. And if you do have exam depression, a good thing to do would be to talk to a mentor about it. Or if you have friends that are also taking the same exam, talk to them about it. That might be enough. Obviously, I'm not a healthcare provider. If there's more things that you need to do, then absolutely do that. If you need to talk to your doctor, talk to your doctor. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm only talking about exam depression. If you pass an exam and then you're overconfident that you're going to pass the next exam, you might not study as much. And if you fail an exam and you're sad and you feel like you've wasted all of this time studying for an exam, try not to get into the mindset that you've wasted that time, because when you take a re-exam, you're going to have to study for a much shorter period of time. You're not starting from the beginning, so just hang in there. And remember, while studying for whatever exam that you're studying for, it's temporary. You're only putting parts of your life on hold and it will be over soon. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.